serious?
Hi there guys, welcome to the TOUCHY channel. Thank you very much for tuning in for my test flights with this newly built Rotorama body 7-inch. Yeah, and I hope you'll be able to hear what I'm saying. It's a little windy. Yeah, a little windier than I had anticipated actually. But okay, so the quadcopter shouldn't care about a little bit of wind. And hopefully you can again hear what I'm saying. So I did me a build series of this quadcopter, and I'll have a link in the top right corner to the playlist. And there's an overview of the parts I've used. I'll also include all parts in the description down below if you are interested. And we're gonna start out on this soccer field over here with a line of sight test flight. I have done me a little hover test as I always do, so it does fly. It did feel very touchy, very direct. Not in a bad way, but very unexpectedly direct. Yeah, so let's see how well it flies. Here we go. Alrighty guys, here we go. Maiden flight. And I actually ordered me different Lipos, 1800 milliamp hours from CNHL, but those aren't in yet. I've got me old Hyperion Lipos on it, or well, one Lipo obviously. I've got another one for the FPV flight, but yeah, not ideal, but the internal resistance isn't high or anything, so they should work out. They are a little bit bigger though.
Arm motors.
Okay, it arms, and we've got liftoff. Yeah, and this is what I am doing. It's not a twitch or anything, but it's very direct. And yeah, this is Beta Flight 4.3.0 release candidate 3. So yeah, beta version of Beta Flight. Very direct. And yeah, I don't fly 7-inch quadcopters all that often. I do have another 7-inch, but usually I fly smaller quadcopters. So, but still, this looks very much different than what I'm used to. Especially the beginning of the stick. It's almost as if there's no exponential, even though I did dial in exponential. Maybe exponential works differently on this Beta Flight version. Okay, and there'll be more proof in the FPV flying pudding, so to speak. But maybe these motors are very responsive. And ESC is definitely, maybe it's an ESC. And yeah, I am flying cautiously, as you can tell. Gotta get used to the quadcopter first of all, and I'm yeah, I'm a bit surprised by the directness, but also I have no idea how well these Lipos hold up. I will be able to see that in the OSD once I fly the FPV, but yeah. It sounds very smooth. This is more or less stock Beta Flight. I did add or dial in filter settings. And this is a very stiff frame, so I dialed down the filters. So far, seems okay. Let's do a mild punch out. Again, I really don't know how well these Lipos will hold up, but mild punch out, here we go. Still sounds nice, buttery smooth. Lots of hang time. Yeah, nice. Okie dokie. Yeah, so yeah, I'm obviously happy it at least flies, right? And it seems to fly pretty nicely as well. So that's a win. Oh, damn. Okay, that was an ugly power loop, but yeah, mostly because of the directness. Huh. Surprising. I'll have to look into that, if the exponential settings in Betaflight have changed. That screen, the rates screen definitely has changed. The values are different, but yeah, okay. What does the quadcopter sound like to you? If you can actually even hear the quadcopter. Let's try a little bit of a better power loop at least. Ah, okay, yeah, weird. I might have to do a video about Betaflight 4.3 and especially its rates, because yeah, either that or the entire setup of this quadcopter is very responsive. It might be. Okie dokie. Alright, enough line of sight flying. Let's strap on the goggle and do some FPV flying with this quadcopter. Alrighty guys, made an FPV flight with the Buddy 7 and let me see, everything looks okie dokie. 25 megabits a second. What channel am I on? Can I see that? Well, we'll see. Okay, arm. Oops. Arm. And we are up and away. Am I recording? Yes. My goggle is recording. Okay, so yeah, again, it feels super duper direct. And I can also actually see the wind. You can definitely hear the wind. Yeah, too direct. So I've got me this quadcopter for fun flying, freestyle flying, but also maybe to record videos. And for that last thing, it is definitely too direct. So I'll have to dial into the new Betaflight settings, because this is definitely different. But other than that, everything looks hunky-dory. And this field here, this soccer field, even though it's a double soccer field, is also a little bit smallish for a fast quadcopter such as this. Damn man, that's weird, that directness at the center stick. Never seen that before. And I'm being blown away, well, the quadcopter that is. Okie dokie. So definitely some work to be done on the setup. Not so much on the tuning actually. I'm not sure what the DVR recording will look like, but it looks pretty nice actually. I don't see any prop wash oscillations whatsoever. I don't hear them either. And yeah, I'm not flying the quadcopter aggressively right now, as you can tell. Bounce back? I don't see bounce back. Huh. And okay, what will the horizon look like when I increase throttle? So I'm only gonna touch the throttle or change the throttle. Oh, pretty nice. There's no dipping or swaying of the nose of the quadcopter when I throttle up or when I throttle down, not at all. So that looks very, very, very nice. Yeah, it's only that I can't fly it super duper smoothly. That's a shame, but it's no biggie. I can surely get rid of that with some kind of setting. But this is definitely uncomfortable to fly like this. Huh. Okay, so mixed feelings here. The quadcopter flies well, which is well, a big win after having built the quadcopter. But yeah, okay, I am 100% sure that if I'd put an older Betaflight version on, at which I know what rates actually do, the quadcopter would fly very nicely. But you can definitely see the twitchiness over center stick, right? And that's, well, partly me not being used to this kind of directness. Okie dokie, man. Enough of this. Yeah, I might be doing videos about the new Betaflight 4.3. There are a lot of changes, so that might warrant digging into, and why not make a video about that as well. For now, I want to thank you for watching. If you have suggestions about my rates, hit me up, comment down below, definitely. For now, yeah, thank you very much for watching again, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.